Hi guys, I'm doing a review of an automatic robot pool cleaner by Aiper, model SG 800B. This unit was $168 at Walmart. The reason I purchased this Aiper is because I was looking for a new vacuum that does not attach to my filter, and I came across this automated pool cleaner. Out of the box, you get the unit itself, the charger, 2 small brushes that fit on the bottom, and an extra set of wheels. It takes about an hour and a half for a full charge, which is shown by the blue indicator light. When it is fully charged, the light will be a solid blue. That light's right here, but it's unplugged right now. With our experience, it lasts a little over an hour in the pool. It picks up everything from leaves to small sediment. I recommend this product. It is a total time saver for us, so that I have time to do other things. So we're gonna go ahead and show you it going into the pool. All right, so we've had storms almost every day, like crazy storms. So I do have some sediment and debris in the pool. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna hit this button and we're gonna turn it on. And it makes a beep noise and the 4 blue lights go on. And then I'm just gonna drop it in and it goes cool and straight down. And it gets to work. Sorry, he went straight underneath my ladder. Of course he did, whenever I tried to video this. And then he goes pretty quick. I'm gonna try and get up. Kind of like a Roomba goes. Okay, so we got it out of the pool. You gotta use 2 hands to get it out of the pool because it's very heavy, probably about 20 pounds whenever you're picking it up out of the pool. There's a hook that attaches right to here and you pull it up out, but once it comes up out of the water, it's pretty heavy. So we're gonna I have it already unattached, so we could just take this off. And you can see there's the fine mesh screen. There's all the little stuff in there, and then down in there, the bigger stuff, the leaves, the whatever's in there. And then from there, we just take the hose and just squirt it out. And dump it. And that's it. Get it nice and clean. And that's it. And then we put it back together.